Hi there, students. Therein. Okay, therein is an adverb. It's easier than thereat. It means in a particular place or in a particular thing that has been mentioned before. It is a really beautiful house, and therein you will find a lot of wonderful furniture. So, therein, in that house that I mentioned before. Okay, therein. If you use therein, it means relating to something that has just been mentioned. Yes, mental health is a serious problem, and therein lies the difficulty in providing long-term solutions for it. In the mental health problems, referring to that. Yes, his speech was about poverty and the difficulties therein, the difficulties being in a state of poverty. Yes, I went into the room, and therein, inside that room, there was a man sitting, staring. Okay, so we also very often use this phrase, therein lies. Yeah, therein lies a problem. Okay, this is saying that in an existing situation has caused the problem. Life is very expensive, and therein lies the problem of finding enough money to live. This place is not well known, and therein lies its charm. So in that previous thing is the following quality. Learning English is very difficult, but it is also very useful for your future, and therein lies a lot of the motivation to continue despite its difficulty. Yes, the two brothers are always fighting, and therein lies the dilemma. Do I intervene or not? It's a personal problem. Okay, so therein, in that thing, in that place, in that time, in that circumstance, in that respect. Okay, so we are starting to become a bit complacent about COVID, and therein lies the danger that we won't take all of the measures necessary. Okay, so therein, you have just heard the testimony of the witness, and therein there was a complete explanation of what had happened. Yeah, so in that place, in him, in her, a psychologist needs to find out about people's minds and what is going on therein, in their minds. Okay, this is another of these compounds, like heretofore and things like that. Okay, so therein, in that thing, in that place. So formality. I think I would give this a 7.5 in formality. Would I use it in an informal conversation? Only a really, really posh one where I was trying to impress people. Yeah. So maybe the formality of a word like this is difficult to get, and therein lies a problem. Yeah, there's a problem within that formality. And then as to origin, well, there was an Old English word, Therein, which has the same meaning, and that even comes from a Proto-Germanic word parin, meaning therein, in that thing. Okay, so the meaning goes a long, long way back. You see that house over there? Therein lives a family that is incredibly talented musically. Okay, let's see, this word sounds very legal. It's a formal way of saying in that place, or even into. I opened the box and put my jacket therein, in that box, and that's the idea of it. So, okay, I hope you've understood this video and the contents therein. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Yeah, there are, in my channel, you'll find a lot of videos therein. Bye for now.